Sometimes you're going to have to back up. You're going to need to use a guide because your path of travel is full of obstructions. You're in a parking lot or whatnot. There's lots of overhead obstructions and those types of things. Get somebody, show them the hand signals, and as well, don't assume that the guide knows what hand signals to use. Show them how to indicate left, right, and stop for the purposes of backing safely. And tell him or her where to stand. Sometimes it's going to be better if they're in front of the vehicle as opposed to the back of the vehicle, but make sure that they're on the driver's side so you can see them. If you lose sight of the guide at any time, stop the vehicle, figure out where they are, and reposition them, tell them where to stand. As well, big hand signals, because you can't see little hand signals pointing from 30, 40, 50 feet away. You might need to put them at the front or the back, depending on what's the best position for you, for the situation you're in. Don't assume that he or she knows how to direct you back, and tell him or her what they're looking for, what to avoid, what to take note of, and those types of things before you back up, and that is going to keep you safe when you're reversing as well. For more information, smartdrivetest.com.